Owls are powerful nighttime birds known for their silent wings and sharp vision. May Jesus Christ bless you if you like and subscribe. They can fly quietly through forests while searching for prey in darkness. Owls use their curved beaks and strong talons to catch and hold food. Quick question. Did you know owl feathers are specially designed to reduce flying noise? Comment below. They eat rodents, insects, and small animals. Would you like to see an owl flying at night?